This is what we've got going on at my house right now. We're having the wallpaper that was upstairs, the hideous like stripy wallpaper. We're having that removed because we couldn't reach it. I think that's the guy coming to do it. I thought today I would vlog. I don't know, I haven't vlogged in a long time, but kind of the format of this vlog I think is gonna be kind of like a what I eat in a day, because a lot of you, when I did my Q&A, were asking kind of like healthy living type stuff, but it's gonna be kind of noisy here, I think, and I don't know, I might have to vlog kind of quietly. It's 7:30, I think. Say hi, buddy. He's not a morning dog. Okay, so the guy who was working did a coat of paint and then he left, and he'll be back later, I think, to finish up. Look at this, it's crazy. Thank goodness we decided to hire this out, because there's just no way we could have done this good of a job. Looks so much better. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. I've just been answering emails. I'm trying to decide between 2 different dresses for my best friend's wedding. I'm gonna be the matron of honor, which is so exciting. But I can't decide if I want the short sleeve option or the off the shoulder. I think I'm leaning toward the off the shoulder. Her wedding is like 3 months after I give birth. Need to invest in some Spanx as well. I was planning on taking Chester for a walk right around now, but it's snowing again. I just want it to be spring. But anyway, I think I'm gonna have a little snack. I'm so like not a snacker. Lately, I've just been having to eat this way because if I eat a big meal, I just get so sick after. Like I just get the worst indigestion. Okay, so I've got my snack. I'm just having red raspberries, green olives, and a string cheese. Something I really have to focus on is making sure that I have protein pretty much every time I eat, because I have that reactive hypoglycemia, which I've talked about before. Having protein kind of keeps my sugar more level. I'm not a big fan of fruit, but I love red raspberries and green olives. I just love green olives. I love like salty things. Okay, so I haven't been able to go to the gym or anything yet because the guy's here working, so you know I have to stay here until he's done. But it is 12 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna make some lunch. Trying something a little different for lunch today. I got these whole wheat pitas at the grocery store last night, and I love hummus, so this is the kind that I usually get. And I thought I got pita pockets, but I guess these are just regular pitas. But I'm gonna try to make like a little sandwich type of thing with hummus and cucumbers on it, and then I'm just gonna have some cherry tomatoes on the side. Just when you think it's getting warmer out, now it's snowing again. Oh my gosh, the snowflakes are huge. Isn't that crazy? They got the wall done upstairs. It looks so much better. I have been doing my least favorite thing, which is legal paperwork stuff. I think I actually might take advantage of this afternoon by myself to film a few videos other than this one. Also, we got a new rug in our living room. I think Chester likes it. All right, so I just filmed 2 videos. It is 3:30, so I thought I would make myself a snack. So I'm just having a piece of whole wheat toast with peanut butter on it. And somebody smells the peanut butter. Chester loves peanut butter, don't you, buddy? Yeah. What is going on with the weather? Like seriously, it was just snowing. Now the sun is out. I feel like some of you guys are gonna notice and ask about our living room. So you might remember we used to have a big sectional in here, and we got that sectional when we lived at our old house, and it fit perfectly in our living room there. But in this room, it just did not fit at all. It was just too big for this room. So we finally got the sectional sold, and for now, we just moved our old couch, which used to be in the sunroom, in here. And it actually fits pretty well in that space. And then we got this new rug, which I really like. It's from Rugs USA. I'll link it in the description box in case any of you are interested. But I like it that it has that kind of like vintage Parisian kind of look to it. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I like it. And we want to eventually get a different couch to go here. A new chair. This chair, I don't know if you can tell on camera, I don't want to show you too close up, but it's just like really old and really dirty, and you can't wash it. So I would like to get one that has like washable slip covers, and we want to get like an ottoman to go with that too, and then like a new coffee table. So just kind of like redecorating our living room. I've also been attempting to do this March squat challenge that a friend of mine posted on Instagram. And it's basically you do 100 squats every day for the month of March. And I've already come short a couple of days, like over the weekend for sure, but I'm trying to just jump back in, and even if I don't make it to 100, like if I just forget or whatever, it's still better than it would have been when I was doing nothing. Plus, I heard, I don't know if this is true, you guys can tell me if you've heard this or not, but I heard that doing like squats when you're pregnant supposedly makes you have a shorter labor or something. I don't know if that's true, but hey, if it is, I'm gonna try it. I haven't done any yet today. Usually I try to do like 4 sets of 25. I think I'm gonna try to bust out like 50 right now. That didn't used to hurt as bad as it does now. Okay, so it's like 4:45 and Wes will be home I think in about a half an hour, so I'm gonna start on dinner. I'm making this recipe that my sister gave me. She said it's really good and really easy. Basically it's baked chicken with Parmesan breadcrumbs. With the chicken I think I'm just gonna have like a sweet potato. These sweet potatoes are like really funky looking, but I think they're still good. And I'm just listening to Chase Jarvis while I cook. Okay, so basically what you do is you take your chicken breasts and you dip them in this like olive oil garlic mixture, and then you dip it into this breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese mixture, and then you just put it on a baking pan at 425 for like 10 minutes on each side. And this is from a recipe book called The Shredded Chef. If I can find the recipe, I'll link it below. I mean, it's pretty easy. Okay, so this is dinner. Since the chicken's kind of like chicken strips, I got some dipping sauce here. I went with ranch and barbecue. Wes got barbecue. Wes is home, by the way. And the sweet potatoes ended up being no good, so I'm just having peas, and then Wes is having like bread and butter, but I didn't want to overdo it. What's so funny? Wes gets uncomfortable. Okay, anyway, so that's dinner. You like this recipe? It turned out really good, huh? I'm gonna make this again. And for dessert, I'm having one of these yummy brownies. And that's all I'm gonna have today, I think, because pregnancy indigestion that I've been getting. What are you having? Cereal?
Cereal.
Nice. What kind?
Frosted Maples.
Yum. All right. That's about it for my vlog slash food diary today. So if you like these kinds of videos, just click the like button, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HollyCastoblog. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Just like, hi guys, today I'm eating dog food.